Hello, everyone. My name is Angad. Our team is LAMP, and just that light bulb is glowing, we are also running on full steroids today. Um, the problem what we are trying to solve is we stitched together the pieces and built a LLM agent monitoring platform where on a unified place you can track all the agents across cross platform and manage the risk. Next. So the platform allows you to track agents across Azure, anything. You can literally have agents deployed on-prem. It also helps you to identify risk and enforce compliance. And you can track sensitive data exposure and identify usage as well. I want to give out shout out to Agent Ops team. We actually use that library to build all of this. So we tried scripting so that we can um, overload the Agent Ops library to get us the system information, package information. That's how we discover the vulnerability information. And library provides a lot of monitoring data. Plus, it actually provides you a session data. So with this, we can see what agent is doing, on what platform that agent is running, is that platform vulnerable, and we can, sorry. So that way we can protect the whole life cycle of the agent in and out. We would like to show you first AI Ops agent data, what we are trying to consume. So it generates a lot of monitoring data. This is what we tried tinkering around to modify and try to get more system information. If you look over here, it actually gives you the plain text chat and everything. So Ritika here tried a small agent to detect sensitive information out of that text data. That's how we could figure out the risk for sensitive information. Aditya tried writing a script to get the vulnerability information out of the packages what we fetch. And we would like to actually show you. We tried visualizing the UI. So this is how it would look. If you look here, all the names are the different set of agents. They are running everywhere across your organization. They can be on-prem, they can be on any cloud, because the package taps onto the agent. So you get sessions from all of those agents. You can track usage, you can track the sensitive risk, and it can actually list what is happening with each agent. And we also got a feedback from Rob that we should build an agentic conversational channel to this. So that's what we are working on. Thank you.
Just a quick question. Maybe help me understand a little bit. I thought I saw sort of an agent monitoring platform that you see visibility into what the agents were doing. It showed like sort of utilization, cost. And then there was another part, something about identifying vulnerabilities and risks, but I wasn't quite sure how the two connected. Could you help sort of explain that a little bit?
Yeah, sure. So we use the AgentOps library. That's a monitoring library. That was our base to get data. So the usage came from there.
And that's pre-built by some
Yeah,
other.
that is pre-built. So
Yep.
on top of that, from a security perspective, what do we bring? So we actually want to overload that library. That's where we scripted. We get the packages out of the system wherever that agent is running. It can be even Lambda. So you get the packages out. you go reverse look up the NVD or any database. We even tried integrating with the nuclei, so that we can actually see the vulnerability. So that way, wherever that agent is running, you can see whether it is running on a secure platform or not. As of today, there exists no compliance. In future, it will happen. Like whatever base you are running on, it should be compliant and the packages should be patched. So that's where you can bring in the security perspective into it.
Okay. So what you did is you said, piggybacking on sort of this agent monitoring library, you then evaluated the system at which the agent would sit on to determine if it was a safe or
That is correct.
risky system.
Yeah.
And therefore, okay, if this agent is doing trusted actions, you could determine the risk of the environment that that agent sits in.
That is correct.
Got
And
it.
after, there is one part which we couldn't implement. We analyzed the risk, we saw the risk. Now there is another agent which will take an action to fix that risk.
Oh, so there was an agent. How far did you get in your actual demo of that agent going through the fixing aspect?
No, fix. We haven't implemented it.
Okay, okay,
That's
got it.
the way where we want to go.
Okay, awesome. Was this all built today?
Everything.
Okay, excellent. And you had a slide deck. Very impressive.
That is
Yes.
also AI.
Yeah. You could tell there's parallel work going there. There's people coding, there's a PM, there's a marketing person.
We also played hackathon, by the way,
What's that?
the CTF as well. So
Yeah.
including this. So
Yeah,
we
very
could
nice,
spend
very
time.
nice.
Thanks to LLMs.
Thank you.
Extra points if it was AI generated slide deck. Yeah.
It was.
Perfect.